Sanitize exterior of the car to keep it germs and viruses free. Car learner. Car owners need to pay special attention to car exterior sanitization. Owners think that washing and sanitizing cars are the same things. But, in reality, it's different. Besides sanitizing ourselves, we need to sanitize everything we use, including our vehicles. Let's see a few tips to keep the exterior of the car germs and viruses free. Car Sanitization Vs Car wash difference. Car washing aims to eliminate dust and make the car spotless and clean. In contrast, car sanitization seeks to make the car clean and germ-free. Firstly, wash the car wheels. The wheels face most damage due to roads. Therefore, it needs to be adequately cleaned. Secondly, water the entire body of the car. Wash the entire surface of the car, but keep in mind that the car doors are locked. Scrub, and scrub. Use a clean bucket of water and a sponge along with it and scrub the entire car surface. Focus on the sophisticated exterior parts. You must clean the windscreen, windows, doorknobs, headlights, and taillights of the car with extra care. If a driving instructor to learn driving like a pro, book one with us now. We don't compromise on your safety and hygiene. Visit us at www.carlearner.com.